How soon in a business owner's marketing strategy should they prioritize email marketing, and what is an average for when they might start to see results?
Email marketing is something you should be thinking about as early as possible. You don't necessarily have to be executing the email strategy, so to speak, yet, but you should be collecting email addresses so that when you're in a position that you can fully deploy that, you already have a list to start using. But when it comes to results in email marketing, it's going to take time, just like anything else. As in email marketing, what we're usually trying to do is we're trying to clean the email list, to test out a strategy to improve a lot of metrics. If we can improve those metrics and then fully deploy a strategy, then you're going to see better results overall. We had a client that was investing quite a bit for email marketing package with us. We saw a shift in improving their metrics, but also improving their lead quality, improving their closing rate to actually generate sales. And then we actually saw an opportunity to generate a very substantial lead that could literally pay for their whole entire digital marketing, good portion of their staff for over a year. You know, if you're unwilling to trust the process and you want to micromanage, you're probably never going to actually see the results that you want.
Yeah.